Hey there! Today we're talking about flooring. You know, that thing you walk on every day but probably don't think about much until you need to replace it. Trust me, picking the right flooring can seriously make or break a room. And with so many options out there, it gets confusing fast. So in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through all the major flooring types, what they're actually made of, how much they'll cost you, where they work best in your home, and the real pros and cons of each. No fancy sales talk, just straight facts to help you decide. Let's jump in. 1. Hardwood flooring. Real hardwood is basically the celebrity of flooring. Everyone wants it. It's natural solid wood, usually oak, maple, or walnut, cut into planks. The look? Classic, warm, and honestly just screams nice home. That's why it adds so much value when you sell. Hardwood works best in living rooms and bedrooms, places where you're not dealing with tons of water or moisture. The good stuff. It's super durable and can last literally generations if you take care of it. Like your grandkids could be walking on this floor someday. Plus, buyers love it, so it boosts your home value. The not so good. It's expensive. Probably the priciest option on this list. It can scratch if you have big dogs with nails clicking around. And water? Yeah, hardwood and water don't mix well. Spills need quick cleanup. Cost-wise, you're looking at about $5 to $15 per square foot installed, depending on the wood type and quality. Quick tip: if you go with hardwood, get some felt pads for your furniture legs. Trust me, your future self will thank you. 2. Engineered wood. Think of engineered wood as hardwood's practical cousin. It's a real wood veneer, a thin slice on top, but underneath it's layers of plywood. It looks almost identical to solid hardwood. Most people can't tell the difference once it's installed. Where it shines. Places with some moisture like basements or rooms below ground level where solid hardwood would warp. What's great? It's more stable than solid hardwood, doesn't expand and contract as much, usually costs less, and many types are DIY friendly with click-lock installation. The downside? You can only refinish it once or twice, versus many times with solid hardwood, because that top layer is thinner. Price tag, usually $3 per square foot installed, a bit cheaper than solid hardwood. 3. Laminate flooring. Laminate is basically a photograph of wood or stone printed on a fiberboard core with a clear protective layer on top. It looks like wood from a distance, though up close you might notice patterns repeat. Best spots for it: bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, places without lots of water or super heavy traffic. The good: it's budget friendly, great for rentals or first homes, pretty scratch resistant, and super easy to install yourself with basic tools. The bad: most laminate isn't water resistant, though newer ones are getting better. And it can sound hollow or clicky when you walk on it. Cost: about $2 per square foot installed. Definitely one of the cheaper options. 4. Vinyl flooring. Vinyl has come a long way from your grandma's kitchen floor. Today's vinyl comes as sheets, luxury vinyl planks, LVP, or tiles, LVT. Modern vinyl can look surprisingly like real wood or tile. The high-end stuff is actually pretty impressive. Where to use it? Kitchens, bathrooms, basements, laundry rooms, anywhere water happens regularly. The wins: it's 100% waterproof, budget-friendly, and feels softer and warmer underfoot than tile. Plus, LVP is pretty DIY-friendly with click-lock systems. The losses: it can dent from heavy furniture, fade in direct sunlight, and while it's tough, it won't last as long as hardwood or tile. Price range: sheet vinyl starts around $1 and $2 per square foot, while luxury vinyl planks run $3.7 per square foot installed. Pro tip: if you're putting vinyl in a bathroom or kitchen, get a 100% waterproof core type, not just water resistant. 5. Tile flooring. Tile comes in 3 main flavors: ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone like marble or slate. The look varies wildly, from simple white subway tiles to ornate patterns or natural stone looks. You've got endless options here. Perfect places: bathrooms, kitchens, entryways, sunrooms, anywhere that gets wet or dirty regularly. What's awesome: tile is practically indestructible, completely waterproof, and super easy to clean. Spill anything on it? Just wipe it up, no stress. What's not? Tile is cold and hard underfoot. Your feet and back will notice. It's a tougher DIY project. And if you drop something glass on it, well, you're definitely going to need a dustpan. Cost breakdown: ceramic starts around $2 to $5 per square foot. porcelain $3.10, and natural stone can run 5 to 20 plus per square foot installed. Insider tip: heated tile floors are a game changer in bathrooms. Not even kidding. It's like the ultimate upgrade. 6. Carpet is woven or tufted fabric made from materials like nylon, polyester, or wool. The look is soft and cozy, comes in endless colors, and ranges from flat and dense to thick and plush. Best rooms, bedrooms, living rooms, family rooms, basements, places where comfort and quiet matter. The upsides: it's warm and soft underfoot, amazing for cold mornings, absorbs sound, great for apartments or kid playrooms, and is generally affordable. The downsides: stains are your enemy, it traps allergens and dust, and it needs replacing sooner than hard surfaces. Price point: generally 2 out of 7 per square foot installed, depending on quality and padding underneath. Real talk: if you have pets or kids, look for carpets specifically made to resist stains and with shorter, tighter fibers that don't trap as much fur or dirt. 7. Concrete floors. Yep, the same stuff as your driveway, but inside and way cooler looking when done right. Concrete can be polished, stained, stamped, or painted for an industrial modern look that's actually pretty sleek. Works best in basements, lofts, modern homes with an industrial vibe, or homes with radiant heat systems. The great: it's virtually indestructible, super low maintenance, and works well with radiant heating. Plus, you can customize the color and finish exactly how you want. The not so great: it's extremely hard, dropped dishes don't survive, cold without in-floor heating, and can develop hairline cracks over time. Cost factor: simple polished concrete runs $3 to $8 per square foot, while decorative finishes can hit $5 to $15 installed. 8. Eco-friendly options. For the earth-conscious folks, there are some really cool sustainable options out there. Bamboo. Actually a grass, not wood. It grows super fast, like fully regrows in 5-7 years versus 40 to 100 years for trees. Looks similar to hardwood but with a distinctive grain pattern. Cork. Made from tree bark that regrows, they don't cut down the tree. It feels springy underfoot and has this cool, unique look with lots of visual texture. Reclaimed wood. Old wood from barns, factories, or other buildings given new life. Each floor is totally unique with amazing character and history. What's good? These are renewable resources, have unique looks you can't get elsewhere, and give you some solid green cred. What's challenging? They sometimes need special cleaning products or maintenance, and availability can be limited. Price range: usually $4 to $10 per square foot installed, comparable to mid-range hardwood. Fun fact: cork floors are naturally resistant to mold and insects thanks to a substance called suberin in the material. Nature's pretty smart. How to choose? Okay, so with all these options, how do you actually decide? Break it down like this. Your budget. Be honest about what you can spend. Flooring gets expensive fast when you're covering a lot of square footage. The room. Kitchens and bathrooms need water-resistant or waterproof options. Bedrooms can prioritize comfort. Traffic levels. High traffic areas like hallways and entryways need super durable options. Your style. What look are you going for? Modern? Traditional? Cozy? Sleek? How much work you want to do. Some floors need regular maintenance. Others you can basically ignore for years. If your main concerns are budget plus waterproof, go with luxury vinyl plank. Luxury feel plus resale value. Hardwood is your friend. Basement renovation. Consider tile or LVP. Eco-friendly plus warm feeling. Check out cork or bamboo. Rentals or quick flip. Laminate can be your best bet. Remember, there's no one perfect floor for everyone. It's about finding what works for your life, your home, and your budget. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you sort through your flooring options, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips that won't put you to sleep. Drop a comment if you have questions about any of these flooring types. I actually read those. See you next time.